Hi everyone, I'm going to make a video for you today going through one of my favorite journals. So this is called the 5-Second Journal, and I will leave a link in the description where you can find this. I just absolutely love this journal, and I realize that I need to order another one because I'm done with that. I used this one up and I should have ordered a new one when I got done, but I just have so many journals though that I'm kind of overwhelmed, and I want to find the perfect one for me, which of course I'm learning there's a lot of perfect ones. So I haven't ordered a new one of these only because I'm busy using all the other ones that I have. So I'm going to show you this one. It's got one of these things, which I love. So I'm going to go through and read what this page says, because this kind of describes everything. They say they are the most powerful journal on the planet, and I kind of believe it. Using science, this journal will unlock the most powerful force in the universe, you. Right now, you are holding yourself back and you don't even know it. The 5-Second Journal will show you the simplest way to take back control and make progress on things that matter. The result? That sense of pride, passion, and confidence in yourself that feels so damn amazing. So in this journal, I'm going to go through this page now. You will get shit done. You won't just get more done, you'll do it in half the time. Your life is way too important to spend it procrastinating. Invest a little time in here every day, and in return you'll get the best tools psychology, organizational, behavioral, and neuroscience have to offer. Kiss overwhelm goodbye. Stop being ruled by your to-do list and start getting the important work done. Filling your days with menial tasks will not lead to a meaningful life. This journal will keep your focus on what's most important, even in between conference calls and running errands. Cultivate rockstar confidence. Confidence is a skill you can build, yes, you, and it's not as difficult as you may think. Every day this journal will push you forward to step outside your comfort zone so you can feel proud of yourself and watch your self-confidence grow. Amp your passion. Want to live a more passionate life? Stop focusing on shit that drains you. Seriously. This journal will show you a cool way to power up your energy levels and tap into that inner zen that knows exactly what fuels your fire. Get control of your life. If you get to the end of the day and wonder where it all went, it's time to take stock. Using research from Harvard Business School, you will learn one simple mindset trick that keeps you present to what matters most, which is the secret to being in control. Be the happiest you. Science proves that your mood in the morning impacts your entire day. That's why this journal is designed to boost your mood first thing, so you can become a happier, smarter, and more positive person all day. The fact is, happier people get shit done. All right. How to have the best day ever. Record the time and place, and years from now you'll remember this moment. Access your energy level to get present. Describe your energy level to gain clarity. Commit to something that energizes you to power up and unlock the passion inside of you. Before your day gets hijacked, put yourself first by describing your top project for the day. Give your commitment to action a boost by describing why this project matters to you. Harvard researchers say one small move forward taps the progress principle to boost happiness. Use this space for anything else you wish to include in daily planning. To tap the power of gratitude, savor one thing about this moment. Give your work a deadline, then plan backwards to increase productivity and guarantee life balance. This handy timeline can be used to plan and organize your day. Every day is different, and that's why this page is designed to be flexible to meet your needs. Use this page like a journal, take notes, or brain dump your to-do list and important ideas. It's your space to get the most out of your day. So every single page in this book has the same layout, what that was, and there are about 300 pages. So I actually realized that I missed one, so I'm going to go to that page just so that I can show you a blank one, and so you don't have to look at my writing. So, time and place and date. Today I feel, so you circle depleted, meh, fine, good, or energized. I feel this way because. To feel more energized, I can. Today my top project is, this project matters to me because, other thoughts. One small action I can take to move forward is, today I'm grateful for, today I will stop working at, and then it says AM or PM, so you write the time in there. Notes, plan the day, or brain dump. The whole page is for that, and it starts at 6 in the morning, and it's got half-hour increments. You probably can't see it in the video, and then it goes until 8 o'clock p.m. So that is this journal. What I like about this journal, first of all, it's very sturdy. Like, this cover is hard, and what I did is I would fold it over like this, and then I would clip a little nightlight flashlight thing on this, and I would use this in bed every night before I go to bed. So it's easy to write in for that reason, because it's easy to, you know, sit in bed or sit on a couch. You don't have to actually have a table under you. And another reason why I like this, obviously, is because it's got little sections for everything. I mean, it's just, I like journals like this where there's, you know, there's a brain dump section, plus there's a section that kind of has the journal quotes, journal prompts. So, and it's got the little meter here, so you can look back and see how your mood was. It's kind of got a little bit of everything. Now, the only thing I would complain about this, and it's not even a problem much because of the fact that they do give you this whole page to write the brain dump, is that it's a small journal. I think this is a 5x7, so that's smaller than what I like. I actually prefer regular letter size, so 8.5 by 11. That's what I prefer because I'm used to that just from, you know, writing in school on regular paper. So anytime a journal is smaller than 8.5 by 11, it just kind of makes me feel cramped, like I can't write enough in it. But this one kind of gets a pass for that, because anything that I can't fit in this section, I can just write in the brain dump section. So I don't really use this for the times. This is to plan your day, but it says also brain dump, free space. So if you are the kind of person like me that likes to do a lot of brain dumping and doesn't really need to schedule your day every half hour, I actually have other planners that are for that purpose. So this one I used pretty much just for a nighttime journal. And this kind of gave me some of the idea to make the printable nighttime journal that I sell on Etsy, which includes one page that is journal prompts of like your whole day, and then a brain dump page too. So I think the perfect journal will include that. It will include a whole page of just brain dump space, and then the prompts to get you to summarize your day, and always having a, you know, what you're grateful for. I think gratitude is something that everybody should do every day. So that's why I like this journal. So I'm definitely going to be ordering another one of these. The company is, it says melrobbins.com. I will leave a note, or I will leave a link in the description. As of now, I guess I can't remember if that's the actual name of the company or not. But yeah, I really love this one, and I'm going to be definitely ordering another one of these. So this one gets a 5-star for me. Like I said, I'm not going to count against it that it's only 5x7. A lot of people like that size, but like I said, it's fine because it's got the whole brain dump page that I can use for more writing. So that concludes my review of the 5-second journal. If you use this journal or have any suggestions, leave a comment below, and be sure to like the video and like my channel, subscribe to my channel to see more. I'm going to be releasing, or I might have already released, other videos like this where I give reviews of all the journals and planners that I use, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more of those. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.